So last couple of videos I talked about the silver short squeeze. I talked about overall short squeeze when it comes to GameStop, AMC, and a couple other stocks. This was obviously very entertaining to watch. Hedge funds did get caught off guard big time, and hundreds of billions of dollars were taken from them. But right now, when you see what's going on, you kind of get the idea that they really did not lose any money. They actually took back a lot more than they lost, because GameStop is trading at $52 as I'm recording this video. AMC from 20 back to down to 5. And the hedge funds and the whales, the elites, they were able to pull the plug on millions of people who ended up being bag holders. Yes, the message was out there. They did a good job exposing all this nonsense, all this scam that's been going on. And if the average Joe does something like this, it's illegal. But if you have hundreds of millions of dollars, if you're a billionaire, of course, then it's all good. So it's oligarchy in your face. It's on your face 24/7. Two-tiered justice system. We all know this, unless obviously you live under a rock and you're not aware of any of this. So I always try to warn you guys, be aware of this FOMOing in, meaning fear of missing out when you see these parabolic moves. GameStop goes from, let's say, 100, let's keep the math pretty simple, to 150. You start jumping in, you like it, goes to 250, you don't take profits, goes to 350, now you are a living legend because you did not take profits and you jumped in at $150 a share. Now it's up $200, it's around 350, now it's at 400, you start to laugh. You're looking at buying your Lamborghini already, it's now at 450, 480, and then now it's at 52. So picking the top in any stock, in any sector, in any index is very, very risky business. And good luck for a lot of you guys who continue to do so, to try to become a multi-millionaire overnight. Bitcoin continues to do its thing. It's 47, 48K as I'm recording this video. Unbelievable. It has been the fastest horse in the race. There is no doubt about that. But I'm looking at what is going to happen this decade. Hopefully we all will live to see it. Slow and steady, they say, is what wins the race. 100-meter dash, obviously Bitcoin, the best. Is it going to 200K this year, $200,000? Very possible. Can it drop down to 10? Who knows? To 5? 52-week low for Bitcoin, $4,100. 52-week high, I believe over $48,000. So there is like $44 or so $1,000 gap between Bitcoin's 52-week low and 52-week high. There is nothing sound money about Bitcoin here as store of wealth. If you see the price up, that doesn't mean it's store of wealth. Bitcoin's been around for 13 years or so. Okay? So with the price going up, it does not mean it's replacing gold as the top store of wealth. If you believe in this, if you believe in fairy tales, good for you, but you just have to look at history. Gold is not supposed to make you rich overnight, especially if you're buying bullion, your physical, in your possession. Gold mines, they're definitely interesting. Their speculations in bull markets, they go up 3,000%. Which I believe is going to happen again. A lot of them are already up 500%, 1,000% since late 2018 going into 2019. A lot of penny stocks are up that much. I believe they got more room to go, a lot more room to go, but we'll get to find out. So that is all speculative gambling, if you will. I don't look at it when it comes to gold and silver mining stocks. If you do your due diligence, that it's too much gamble, it's more of a speculation. But if you're into too many penny stocks, that's definitely, a slot machine, all right? Just like a lot of cryptocurrencies are. So that's my take on all that. I hope everybody is making some money. Everybody is preparing for what's coming this decade. We all watch what's happening with job numbers. Things are not looking good. People are getting purged. You cannot, if you just deviate a little bit from whatever is on hot topics on mainstream, you will be censored, you will be banned. People with over 1 million followers on Twitter got censored, they got kicked out from YouTube. A lot of people, when you get to that many followers, even in just 6 digits, like if you have 100,000 followers, that's like their main source of income. So very, very scary times. I don't know if you can just rely on Bitcoin to continue going up. It's how you're going to, maintain your millionaire status. I just don't know how that's a smart way of doing it. Not being in it also is not that smart. It's very good to speculate, especially like I said, if you understand the risk that's involved in cryptos. So that would be it for today. I hope it helped you guys to prepare, and I hope you're doing what I've been talking about the whole time. Get physical bullion in your possession while you can. Failure to deliver is most likely imminent, but if it's not imminent, it is inevitable. Kilo bars are not, you cannot buy them. 1 kilo gold, 1 kilo silver. 1 kilo gold, by the way, is about 13 grand more than 1 Bitcoin. So it's 60, 61, 60, 2, it depends how you pay for it. So let's just round it at $60,000 for a kilo gold. They're not available on SD Bullion, on JM Bullion, and a couple other sites that I was looking into, including on Twitter. I was reading a lot of comments from people all over the world saying that the kilo bars are not out there. To me, this is not a warning. This is red flashing lights right before your face, because average Joes do not have $60,000 sitting around to buy a gold bar, or let's say 3 of them for $180,000. So this is big money coming in, cleaning house. Very interesting to watch what's going on in that whole area, and with silver short squeeze and everything else that we've been witnessing. I believe, like I said again, and I will repeat it again, if you do not hold it, you don't own it. Physical, hard, tangible assets in your possession, and that's the best way to protect yourself against inflation. Not to get rich overnight, even though that can easily happen if the banks, if they get actually in trouble for what they have been doing for all these decades. If millions of people start asking deliveries of physical bullion, good luck. If the system breaks, you can look at within a month or two gold to who knows what price. It can exchange with Bitcoin pretty quickly here. That's how crazy it can get, especially when it comes to silver. So take care, God bless you all, and we will talk soon.